To install the codex in our PC, you need to visit the official website of OpenAI. You can open the Google and type the OpenAI Codex documentation. So you will directly go to the official website of the ChatGPT, where you can install the codex. So you can see this is the official website of the OpenAI codex. So here you can find the each and every detail. Left side you can find the ChatGPT logo and codex. The company are basically they are highlighted, the trusted by the team. They have some company name is mentioned. Miro, this is the very powerful, like most popular organization, Miro using for the diagram or all this thing. So this is the official website. So here you can find the download for the window. So once you click on download for the window, some file will be automatically start downloaded. And if you're using the like Microsoft Store, they will first verify. So just you can click the code installer. So once you click, it will be directly open to the Microsoft Store, where they can validate that this app is basically like they know any fraud app is there. So it will take some 1 or 2 minute time. So you can see at the Microsoft Store, they are basically retrieving the information from the Microsoft Store, and it will be start downloaded. It's around 413 MB file will be there, and it will take around 1 minute to download, and it automatically got installed. So after the installation, it automatically open, and they will ask you how you can connect with the codex, like continue with the ChatGPT, sign in another way, sign up. So you can just click on the continue with ChatGPT, and you can just enter the email address of the ChatGPT, whatever they're using. So if you have any paid version, if you have any free version is also available. You can also use the free version. So I'm going to show you the for the free version. You can just put the password for the ChatGPT, whatever the Gmail password you have, and once you enter all the detail, it automatically got logged into the codex. So you can see now latest GPT 5.5 is showing, and they will ask you if you want, you can try 5.5, or you can also go to the 5.4 or older version. So this is the overview of the complete codex. In next video I will tell you, I will guide you basically how you can create